1. Introduction of membrane component. Structure of membrane: baffle plate, diversion cloth, filter membrane, water outlet spout. Store condition of membrane: dry and ventilated, protect from damps, no isolation, no corrosive gas, temperature 5 to 40 degrees. Stacking requirement: stacking standard is 10 boxes, as high stacking may damage the membrane. Transportation requirement: handle with care, keep away from rain, no isolation. 2. Introduction about membrane module. Membrane module consists of membrane component, support, rubber strip and channel steel strip, silicon tube, water collection pipe, aeration pipe, membrane support base, guide rod. Flat sheet membrane is the core product of the company. We have owned 2 national patents for membrane. Number of patent ZL 2008-1024-3970.9 and ZL 2008-103535.8.7. The company guarantees quality of each membrane. Insert the membrane into guide plate. Set water outlet spout near the collection pipe. To install rubber strip channel steel strip, press the rubber strip onto membrane. Then press and fasten the channel steel strip. At last, fasten the middle card key of channel steel strip. Water collection pipe used to collect the production of each membrane. Connect the connection pipe with module support. Fasten with clamp. Silicon tube is used to connect water outlet spout and collection pipe. Install the silicon tube. Aeration pipe. Keep scouring for anti-pollution. Provide oxygen for the microorganism in MBR tank. Aeration pipe fixed in the module support base. There are 6 snap rings on the module support base, easy to install correctly. Guide rod is used to lead membrane module. Under the effect of hoisting rings and snap ring, module support can be led to module support base correctly. One. Installation of membrane module. According to design drawing, set up embedded steel plate for guide rod aeration box. Clean the MBR tank, install the aeration box. At the same time, fasten it and leveling. Leveling error control is about 5 mm. Install the membrane box. Lift the membrane box onto aeration box, then install the guide rod and weld with embedded steel plate. Install the aeration pipe and gauges and valves. Connect suction pipes and install the gauges, valves. Also, install the clean pipes. Then let the clean water flow in. about 500 mm above the tank bottom to test the aeration. Check whether there are air leakage or non-uniformly aeration. After checking, continue releasing water into the tank until drown the membrane box. Then test the suction pipes and hole aeration conditions. If there is no problem, drop the water level and left the membrane box out to set membranes into the box. After installation, lift the membrane box and set up to the aeration box along with guide rod. Then release the wastewater to inoculate and culture the sludge. After the cultivation and acclimation of sludge, start sanction. 2. Operation of membrane. When the system under normal operation, open self-priming pump. It is 30% to 40% of the design flow rate at the beginning 2 days. Keep sanction, add to design flow rate slowly, then keep normal sanction. Treated water are pulled to clean water tank through water collection pipe via sanction pipe. Sanction negative pressure is 0 to 30 kPa under normal operation. Sanction 8 minutes, stop 2 minutes for a cycle to operate. 3. Maintenance of membrane. MBR tank control the water level by liquid level controller to make sure membrane modules submerge in water for a long time and produce water normally. Membrane should be washed when the suction negative pressure is more than 30 kPa. Close water outlet valve on condition that close suction pump. Open the valve of high clean medicine chest. Ingest medicine prepared in advance through injection ports into membranes for a long time. The membrane can recover itself by the aeration scouring. Close injection ports. Open the backflow valve of clean medicine and open the self-sanction pump to discharge the remaining medicine. After discharge the remaining medicine, close the backflow valve, open outlet valve of sanction pump to normal sanction. Aeration pipes holes will be blocked under long time operation, so we should clean the holes first. Open the aeration clean valves. Because of reducing the air pressure and water pressure, the mix of air and water makes turbulence. It can wash against the sludge, so can clean the pipe. After cleaning, close the clean valve back to normal operation.